Hello dear student, welcome back to MCQ practice series of Programmer Logic Controller subject part number 3. If you not subscribe my channel, the Edu Labs, please subscribe it. Question number 1. The speed of operation of conventional relay system as compared to digital controllers like PLC is blank. Option A slow, option B very slow, option C medium, option D fast. The answer is B, that is a very slow. See, the digital type controllers are designed with help of advanced microprocessor or microcontroller, and the speed of that type controller or processor are very faster. So here the answer is B. Question number 2. The PLC can be blank in plant to change the sequence of the operation. Option A programmed, option B reprogrammed, option C both A programmed and B that is a reprogrammed, and option number D that is a none of these. The answer is C number, that is a both A and B. See, the PLC can be programmed as well as reprogrammed for multi number of times. For example, if you program your PLC for particularly food industry based application, and after some time if you want to change that application from food industry application to cement industry application, then you can able to reprogram your PLC. Question number 3. For protection of the PLC from incoming surges coming from the field, which isolated device is used? Option A analog to digital converters, option B digital to analog converters, option C transmitter, option D transformer. The answer is D, that is a transformer. Question number 4. The scan time of PLC is depend on option A read, write and update the status of the inputs and output, option B user program, option C processor speed, and option D all of these. The answer is D. See, the PLC scanning time is a very important parameter, and the scanning time are depend on the multi number of parameter. It also depend on the number of inputs, number of outputs, as well as the length of the user program and processor speed. Which type processor, high speed processor or medium speed processor you can use. So here the answer is a D. Question number 5. The PLC is used in blank. Option A food industry, cement manufacturing industry, option B glass industry and paper industry, option C automobile industry, and option D all of these. The answer is D. Application of the PLC are very wide, and they are used in each and every industry. So here the answer is a D. Now question number 6. Which one of the following is not a PLC manufacturer? Option A is a Microsoft, option B Delta, option C ABB, option D Siemens. The answer is Microsoft. Question number 7. The PLC was invented by A. Dick Morley, B. Bill Gates, option C. Both A and B, and D. None of these. The right answer is A. Dick Morley. Question number 8. The first company to build the PLCs was option A. GE, that is General Electric, B. Adden Bradley, C. Modicon, D. Siemens. The answer is C. Modicon. Question number 9. Currents flow into the A. Input terminal of a sinking DC input module. Option B. Input terminal of a sinking output field device. Option C. Output terminal of a sinking input field device. And option D. All of these. So the answer is D, that is all of the. So the current flow in each and every modules like DC input modules, output field device and input field device. Question number 10. In a current sinking DC input modules, A. Currents flow from in either direction at the input module. B. The current flow out of the input field device. C. The current flow out of the input modules. And D. None of these. So the answer is option number B, that is the current flows out of the input field device. Hope you receive very good information from this lecture. Please like, share and subscribe for more upcoming videos.